Hello, everybody. I'm gonna go and do a nice little ride and hike and stuff. I still haven't decided what I'm gonna do exactly as far as the hike itself. Gotta take a leak. Oh my god. I'd like you guys to join me. I'm gonna go figure out which one I'm doing, and then I'll get back to you. So I'll see you shortly, okay? Yeah! Woo! Talk to me! Yeah! Yeah! Copy that. This is Gore Mountain. This is, ski mountain, you know? You can go skiing and stuff, so let's get after it. I really hope there's not stuff like that. I'm not prepared. Whew. First little crick. Smells like butt, dude. What the hell? This mountain is 9 miles long. So, I don't think we're gonna finish it today. It is 5 p.m. I think people were saying it takes 5 hours, so can't really do that. I'll just stop when it's convenient. Yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah. Starting to rain. Perfect. Sometime this week, I'm gonna do Avalanche Pass. It's too far to complete today. Didn't have enough time. I have to do it after work, so I only realistically have from like 4 until 8, which is like darkness. Ooh. Weekends, though. Not this weekend. I have plans, but another weekend. I dropped my fucking mic, and my mini magnet is gone now. One of these times, I'm just gonna straight up book a flight to a different place and do stuff there. Oh. Check that little cave out, yo. Run, 80! You hear that? That sounds like water. Listen. Now's a very important time to talk about protecting yourself in a dangerous situation. All you need is willpower and one of these. Booyah! Yeah! Do you hear that? Shh. Water's abundant close by. Phone's about to die though, so I'm gonna throw it on the charger, and then once we get to the water, we'll see ya. Oh man, this looks cool. You gotta see it with your own eyeballs though. It's super dark. Ooh, shit. You hear that? Yeah! How do I get down there? That's where I want to be. Oh shit. You know what that means. Alright. Considering it's raining and it's getting dark, I'm gonna rinse off and I'm gonna finish this hike another time. gotta rinse off first. So here we go. Yeah! Yeah! Again, very painful, but I love it! Yeah! Peace out, everybody. Take care of yourself.